Hi, it's Norman. Everyone thinks that trading is a guessing game, but in reality, trading is a system. Today, I'll show you a simple strategy that earned me over $4,000 in just a few trades. I'm not a magician or a guru. I just know how to read the signals correctly. 2 indicators, clear chart settings, and no complicated terms. Everything is as simple as possible and in real time. Want to see how it works? Let's break it down step by step. My name is Norman, and I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the video. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I set classic candles, time frame 30 seconds. Go to the Indicators tab and select RSI and Williams. Let's configure RSI. Set the period to 5. Go to Style. Disable line 50. Set the main line to turquoise, width 2. Set lines 70 and 30 to blue, width 2. Move opacity to the right. Save. Let's configure Williams. Set the period to 15. Go to Style. Set the main line width to 2. Change the color of lines -20 and -80 to blue, width 2. Move opacity to the right. Save. The indicators are ready to go. Friend, if you still have questions after watching the video, be sure to write to me in private messages on Telegram and I will be happy to help you. The first opportunity opens the day clearly. Expiration is 2 minutes. I open a trade to sell for $1,100. Now I will explain in detail how to trade correctly using this strategy and why its signals are considered reliable. It's really simple. First, we look at the RSI indicator. Its turquoise line has crossed the blue upper line from top to bottom. This is the first important signal indicating that buyers have weakened and a downward movement is forming in the market. Such a moment often becomes the starting point for a trend reversal. Next, we turn our attention to the Williams indicator. Here, the movement almost completely mirrors the RSI. The turquoise line also crosses the blue line from top to bottom. This coincidence reinforces the signal and confirms that the downward trend is indeed gaining momentum. Plus $1,012 to the balance. A confident start. We can move on. Want to see daily trading ideas and market analysis? Join my free Telegram channel. Here we share strategies, discuss trades, and help each other develop our trading skills. If anything is unclear after watching the video, write to me personally, and I will help you figure it out. The link to the channel is in the description. Come and join us. On Telegram, you will find tips and recommendations that really help you trade with more confidence in the market. A new scenario appears shortly after. Expiration. 2 minutes. I open a buy trade for $1,100. The price confidently bounces off the support level and begins to form a smooth rise. The movement develops steadily. The candles rise evenly, forming a clear upward structure without sharp pullbacks and chaotic fluctuations. This chart behavior shows the strength of buyers and confirms the signal for growth. The dynamics look calm and predictable, which reinforces confidence in the continuation of the upward movement. Judging by the current picture, the trend has every chance of developing further, so I expect to profit from this growth. The balance is replenished by another $1,012. The movement was smooth, and the rhythm of the session is maintained. The following opportunity is forming on the chart. With an expiration of 2 minutes, I open a sell trade at $1,600. After a strong upward surge, the candles begin to noticeably lose energy. Long upper shadows appear on the chart, clearly indicating the weakness of buyers and their inability to maintain the price at the levels achieved. This behavior suggests that sellers are gradually taking the initiative. The upward movement is fading, and the market is beginning to enter a downward phase. All this creates the conditions for the formation of a downtrend and a further fall in price. The $1,472 gain is recorded calmly. The situation has worked out in the right direction. The final point of the day develops at a key level. The timer is set for 2 minutes, and I open a sell trade for $700. After touching the resistance level, the chart shows a sharp and confident downward reversal. The movement is gaining momentum. Sellers are increasing pressure, and each new candle is becoming more dynamic, clearly forming a downward structure. The momentum looks stable and harmonious. The market is moving without unnecessary noise and confirms the change in sentiment. This picture on the chart is really excellent, and judging by the dynamics, the downward rhythm will continue. I think this situation will bring profit. The $644 gain brings the balance to $11,384. I'm ending the day with an even result. As a result, the balance has grown from $7,244 to $11,384. The work went great. If you have any questions about the method itself or want to understand it more deeply, don't hesitate to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. See you soon.